What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today I've got a special treat. For those of you who are admin in Drift and want to make sure you keep a really clean Drift account, Drift has just made it so that you can bulk close conversations. So I'm super excited about this feature because a lot of times when I'll be working with clients, I get into their Drift account that they've had for a couple months, and there are hundreds, if not thousands, of conversations that are open. Any salesperson or any person who is using Drift on a day to day should really work on keeping their conversations open, closed, and pending. There's a couple different reasons. One is from a reporting aspect, you can keep track of open conversations, which essentially, in a lot of cases for companies, are like open tickets. If you're going to be keeping track of those, when conversations are finished, go ahead and close them or mark them as pending. But in this case, what we're going to show you today is how to bulk close Drift conversations. All right, so what you see here is I am in the conversations view. I have my open conversation selected here. So you can have all of your conversations, you can have open ones, and of course you have all your different custom filters here. But what we're gonna do is, you may not even know that it's here, is you have a button here that says close selected. So now you can click through and select up to 25, I believe, at a time. And you can click this button, close selected. And what it's going to do is it's going to bulk close those conversations. Now, this makes it a lot easier. And in most cases, this is going to eliminate a whole heck of a lot of time. But you can go through and you can close these conversations and get your account to a point where moving forward, you know what's going on. So none of these conversations are going to be deleted per se. They're just going to show up in the closed conversations filter. And if someone comes back and continues the conversation, it would reopen them. But what it's going to do is it's going to allow for you to have that inbox zero feeling as you're going through and communicating. So that's it for today's tutorial. Short, simple, and sweet. But bulk closing conversations is a great way for you to do some due diligence in your portal and clean it up so that you only have conversations open that matter. If you have any other questions about conversational marketing or Drift, hit me up on Twitter at RemingtonBeg or in the comments below. If you'd like to see other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And if you would like to sign up for these daily tutorials, you can go ahead and do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.